In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your profit and loss statement, or P&L, on the Robinhood browser platform. This is a handy feature for anyone who wants to track how much they've gained or lost on different trades using their Robinhood account. I'll walk you through the process, explain some of the details along the way, and offer a few tips for making the most out of this tool. First, let's begin by logging in to your Robinhood account through your web browser. Head over to the Robinhood website and enter your login details. Once you're securely signed in, you'll be taken to your main account dashboard, where you can see your portfolio and other important information. Next, look for something called the Robinhood Legend. This is where Robinhood helps organize your market data, widgets, and general account summary. You'll want to click on this section to continue. Once inside, you'll want to focus on finding the section labeled Individual, or sometimes Profit and Loss. This area displays your realized gains and losses for trades you've already closed. If you're not seeing this widget right away, don't worry. It may not be set to display by default. To customize your view, look for either a 3 vertical dots icon or an eye-shaped icon. These are typically in the upper part of the widget area or near your widgets list. Clicking on this gives you the option to add or remove various widgets. So go ahead and make sure that the individual or profit and loss section is checked to show. Once your profit and loss widget is visible, you can start making use of its features. This tool gives you a clear overview of your realized profit and loss for all trades that you've closed. What's neat is that you can sort or filter this data, making it easier to analyze your performance. You have options to sort by the date the trades were closed, by the stock symbol, or by the profit or loss amount. Use these filters to get a customized view that suits exactly what you want to see, whether it's tracking a specific company's trades over time or zeroing in on your biggest wins or losses. It's important to keep in mind, though, that this P&L view is limited in a few key ways. For instance, it doesn't include any crypto trades, event contracts, or some derivative trades you may have made through the platform. So if you're active in those markets, you'll need to look elsewhere, perhaps using Robinhood statements or other tools to see a comprehensive profit and loss history. And that's it. You now know how to access and customize your profit and loss view on Robinhood's browser version. If you found this guide useful, be sure to revisit these steps anytime you want to check in on your trading performance. Thanks for watching and happy investing.